segment is sponsored by the Honey Baked Ham Company. Football season is finally here, but we know that game day is about more than just the action on the field. It's also about great company and amazing food. Joining us this morning is ESPN host Laura Rutledge, who has teamed up with the Honey Baked Ham Company to share the secret for creating the perfect game day spread. Good morning, Laura.
Good morning. I cannot wait for you to try all of this delicious honey baked ham.
So what has the partnership been with the Honey Baked Ham Company? Why'd you partner with this wonderful food company?
Yeah, well, I love delicious food, so that's really the main thing. But I also love tailgating and home gating and gathering together, celebrating football. It just doesn't get any better than that. As you know, football is right around the corner, and these are all incredible options for anyone. You've got everything you need for your home gate or tailgate right around the corner at your local Honey Baked store or honeybaked.com/gameday. These sliders, unbelievable. Everybody loves a slider too, by the way. The new pulled pork Cuban slider is incredible. You've also got great sides, your classic ham with that sweet and crunchy glaze, as well as the sandwich platter. So I just love food, and this company is what brings that to the forefront. So love being able to partner with Honey Baked another year.
Oh, the sliders look incredible. That meat to bun ratio is absolutely fantastic. In terms of ordering in bulk, how easy does the Honey Baked Ham Company make this if you're trying to cater for a large group?
Yeah, it's a great question. It's so convenient. And basically, as much of this as you want to get, you just get it from your local Honey Baked store or online like we talked about. And you see this game day box right here. This is actually new this year, but it's a complete game day meal, and you can get your sliders and your sides in this box. Super portable, as you can see, and convenient. And what I love about hosting for a crowd is that you're not having to make multiple stops if you get your game day spread just from Honey Baked Ham, because you get everything you need from there, and then you can just take it all home or to your tailgate, right? And you're not having to spend all your time trying to gather everything. You can focus on actually hanging out with your family and friends and watching the game.
You went to the University of Florida, so you know what tailgating is all about in SEC country. Why is it paramount to football?
I think it's so important, right? It's something that we look forward to every year. We get to hold on to these traditions with our family and friends. It's been especially fun for me now having a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old, teaching them a little bit more about tailgating and what it all means, right? And it comes down to gathering together and really relishing in these memories. Whether your team wins or loses, you always remember what you did in that day leading up to the games or watching the games together. So I love that. And it's, I think, a really special time of year that people always look forward to. You start to feel that crispness in the air, and you're like, okay, finally football is here. And we have to enjoy it, right? Because it goes away too fast.
What are your kids' favorite items? Because the Honey Baked Ham, it can cater to all ages and genders too.
Okay, so it's actually pretty funny because last year, Jack, my 1-year-old, wasn't old enough to actually eat ham, but he is now a connoisseur. He loves the pulled pork, which is, of course, the newest addition to their menu. He also loves the turkey and cheddar slider. Reese is a big fan. She's the 4-year-old of the ham classic sandwich. It's the croissant, the ham, the Swiss cheese, a little bit of honey mustard on there too. So that's her favorite. It's the one she always goes for. But they like all of it, which, to your point, there's something for everyone. And kids, I think, are a huge part of your tailgate or your home gate. You want to have something for them. These portion sizes are also super convenient for kids. They can grab a slider and run off and do whatever they're trying to do.
Yeah, you got some for Sunday, and then you got some for Monday Night Football as well. Are you ready for this NFL season? Everybody's foaming at the mouth here in northern Indiana. We got the Bears, the Colts. Everybody's excited. Are you ready?
It's going to be awesome. I mean, you guys should be really excited in that area. What we've seen from Caleb Williams so far and Rome Odunze, and just what that Bears team looks like, not only offensively, but with a really stout defense again. I think they're a playoff team, and I think they're going to live up to a lot of the hype. So there's so much to be excited about with that. Also, your Jets. Now, I don't know if people there know that you're a Jets fan, but I'll go ahead and point it out. I think they might be one of the best teams in the NFL, and I know Jets fans are like, oh no, don't jinx us, but maybe this is finally the year. We'll get to see them on Monday Night Football, that debut against the 49ers, and absolutely cannot wait to see what they have in store. Aaron Rodgers is back, and let's just hope he stays healthy.
I wore green for the Jets. Laura, you were an absolute amazing ambassador for the Honey Baked Ham Company. You're a wonderful mother. You're a professional tailgater. ESPN's lucky to have you, and it's been an honor to have you on Hometown Living. Continued success.
Thanks so much for having me.
Enjoy the football season with Laura. Let's get some more information on our screen right now. There it is, the Honey Baked Ham Company, Tailgating with Laura Rutledge. There's their website. Give them a call as well.